The system of equations above has a solution of x comma y. What is the value of x? So I get 1/2 times 2x plus y equals 21 over 2. That's my first equation. And I also have y equals 2x. Since the second equation already has y isolated, I'm going to use this portion and substitute it into the first one. So I'm going to rewrite it. 1 over 2, 2x plus y equals 21 over 2. So since y equals 2x, I'm going to take that value and plug it right in. So 1/2 2x plus 2x equals 21 over 2. So I have a 1/2 on the left and an over 2 on the right. So if I multiply both sides by 2, 2's cancel. And I have like terms in the middle. So my 2's are canceled. 2x plus 2x is 4x. So 4x equals 21. So this means I can divide both sides by 4, and I get 21 over 4 is my answer. So I can write this as 21/4, or if you choose to write it in decimal, this would be 5.25. Either of these are acceptable, but I'm going to write 21/4. So that means I bubble 21/4.